Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how I made a reversible word sign for my porch. Today I'm creating a tall word sign for my porch that can be decorated and flipped depending on the season, meaning that you have one less item to store with your seasonal decor. I'm also installing a hook on each side so that I can hang a wreath, making it even easier to transform when the seasons change. To build this project, you need a 1x12 board from the home center, a few 1x2 boards, and 2 cup hooks. For full details on this project and to download my cut list, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. Starting with the 1x12 board at its full height of 6 feet, measure and miter the 1x2 frame pieces on edge so that they wrap around the corners of the board. Next, paint both sides of the board using a foam roller. I'm painting one side white and the other side black. For my design, I'm creating one side that says home and the other side that says Noel, where the O in both words is replaced by a circular wreath. Now you can trace and paint the letters directly on the board, but I am not very artistic, so I picked up these inexpensive MDF letters at the craft store. Coat the letters with contrasting paint colors, starting with the edges and then working across the flat sections. You could also use spray paint for this part, but I already had the paint rollers out, so I used this method instead. I applied 2 coats of paint to all of the letters and both sides of the board, and then finished the frame pieces with a coat of medium brown stain, followed by a protective coat of polyurethane. Next, measure and mark the location of each letter on one side of the board, leaving a gap for the O where the wreath will hang. Apply glue to the back side of each letter, and then nail it in place with 5/8" nails. Fill and touch up the nail holes as needed. Repeat to attach the letters on the opposite side of the sign. Apply glue to one edge of the board and nail the frame piece into place, centered on the thickness so that it overhangs the face of the board equally on each side. Apply glue to the adjacent edge and to the exposed miter and secure the next piece in place. Repeat to attach the remaining pieces. Drill a small pilot hole for the cup hook on each side, and then twist them into place. It's now time to add a wreath to the sign. Of course, you can purchase a wreath, or you can do what I did, and you can make one using an inexpensive embroidery hoop and a sprig of faux stems or branches. To learn how to make your own DIY embroidery hoop wreath, click the link below this video. Lastly, place the sign on your porch and add an everyday wreath for year-round decor, or dress it up with autumn berries and surrounding mums for fall. And when the seasons change, just flip the sign and add greenery and pine cones to transform the look for the holiday season. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy DIY and woodworking projects, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jen Largis, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.